Welcome back to my channel. This is Ishita here, and today in this individual video I am going to review a new launch in market. Yes, that is from Patanjali, and whenever Patanjali launches a new product in market, people go crazy about it. They start searching about it, they start reading reviews, they start watching videos that how good the product is, because everybody is curious because of Patanjali products. So when Patanjali launched this new product, I was also very curious, so I picked up the product. I have used this for now 7 days. This is almost a week now, hence here I am today with the review of the product. So if you are interested now, you can watch out the whole video. If you like the review and if you are happy with how the product is, then you can go and purchase that for yourself. Now starting off with this is actually Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel Kesar Chandan. This is actually the basic aloe vera gel along with the mixture of kesar and chandan. So this product looks like a yellowish gel. You can see this time the packaging is far better than the previous aloe vera gel, or how we have seen that with that orange color cap and the green gel bottle. So this is how it looks like. Now let's talk about the ingredient list. So it contains Ghrita Kumari, that is aloe vera. Second, it contains kesar and chandan, that is saffron and sandalwood. It contains 89.00% aloe vera, 0.01% kesar or saffron. It contains 0.10% chandan or sandalwood. Other than that, if you think these are the only thing which is present in the gel, then sorry, it is not so. Other than that, it contains something additional, that is the base material, that is vitamin E, permeated color, and Sugandhit Divya, that is the fragrance or what fragrance they have added to make it user friendly. So now when we talk about how to use this, they say that useful in roughness and dryness of skin. It helps to remove pigmentation, dark spots, and increase skin glow. So now the remaining things are written down in Hindi. I'm going to read it out, then I'm going to translate in English if somebody is not comfortable with Hindi. So do not get panic, let me read them out. So first of all, they are writing Prayog Vidhi, means how to use that. So first point is चेहरे पर मसाज करे वे सोने से पहले चेहरे पर एक लेयर बनाकर छोड़ दे व सुबह उठकर गुनगुने पानी से चेहरे को धो ले. They are saying that make a layer of that onto your face before you go for sleep. Leave it overnight. Morning when you wake up, you have to wash it off with warm water. Now the second point is सुबह स्नान करने से 30 मिनट पहले चेहरे पर जेल लगाकर छोड़ दे. Now the second way of using this is you can make another layer of that 30 minutes prior to your bath. So leave it like that and then you can go for your bath. Now the third point is त्वचा के विकारों जैसे खुरदुरापन, दाग धब्बों आदि में जेल से 5 से 7 मिनट तक मसाज करें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू हैव एनी काइंड ऑफ रफनेस ऑन योर स्किन, एनी काइंड ऑफ पिगमेंटेशन और डिस्कलरेशन, देन ऑन टू दोज टारगेटेड एरिया दे आर आस्किंग यू टू मसाज इट फॉर 5 to 7 minutes. So that is how we can use this individual product onto our skin. Now other than that, when we talk about the individual product, let me show you how exactly the product is. Once you open this, you can see the product is very nice in color. It's almost golden. You can see it's just falling off. Why I'm showing you that is just because it is almost liquid. It just looks like that gel into the container, but when you take it on your hand, it is very lightweight. It's almost liquid. You can see it's just a liquid. It is very lightweight compared to even the Patanjali aloe vera gel that we have already tried. And other than that, the fragrance is almost not there. It's almost nil, but still the whatever it is there, it's user friendly. You can easily use this. Now let me tell you my personal experience with this. So I just started using this 7 days back. The company claims that if you use this, then instantly it will give a solution for your pimples, wrinkles, and you'll have a glowing skin. But the thing is that, or the actual thing is that, this product is very mild and gentle until and unless you use this for 30 days. What I have seen, or what I have my personal experience after using this for 7 days, on the basis of that I am saying that that this product is very mild and gentle. If you are using this for 30 days, then only you will have remarkable amount of difference on your skin. Just using this for a single night, next morning if you are thinking that all your pimples, acne and everything is just going to vanish off, no, it is not like that. Though they are using the word instantly, but that instantly is not, and not that instant. It doesn't vanishes just in 2 to 3 hours, neither in just one day. You have to use this completely for at least 30 days. Now this product is for 60 ml and it comes for 50 rupees in Indian currency, and for using 30 days you need at least 2 this kind of bottles or jar, because the product is very lightweight. When you start using this, you need a very good amount of that product onto your hand for using that onto the area, because it dries up very fast. One thing I want to mention, it is not at all sticky. It is much more less sticky compared to even the Patanjali aloe vera gel, and my personal experience is that it is very amazing. If you are searching little bit extra compared to the aloe vera gel that you are right now using, then you can definitely go for this individual product. Hence, this was the review of this individual product. Make sure to hit the like button. If you want me to do any other such review of any other individual product, then don't forget to write that out in the comment section below. If you are a new viewer, then make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such interesting videos, because if you subscribe, you will be getting notifications of my every new video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care of yourself.